We told him that mom and dad and Knox, we were gonna go to the hospital for a few days to get a new strong heart. Dr. Glanowitz had told us this is really hard on the parents. Out of the 3 surgeries, this one is the most difficult. And it's because you have to prepare your toddler now, right? It's very different than a baby. It is a toddler who fully understands. His recovery since we've been home has been fantastic. With him having his new circulation and fully oxygenated blood, it gives him so much energy and stamina. He even talks more.
It does my prayer.
He's able to keep up with his brother. He runs and runs and runs. He can go up the steps. And I'll never forget, a couple days after we were home, we went to the store and I got him out of his car seat and I set him down, and I found myself after, him taking 2 steps to bend down and pick him up, but I thought, well, just let him go and see what he does. And that was the first time that he had walked into a store all by himself without needing to be carried. He had the stamina and the energy to be able to do that, and that was such a win and a victory in my book because that had never happened before. This journey is better than I ever could have imagined. Right after surgery, he would say, "Mom, I'm so brave." And that he was so brave. All the medicines and all the surgeries and all the appointments and everything that he goes through, he just does it. It's his norm.